Hello, Henry Rackley here, and I'm going to show you how to create an auction if you've got 3 quotes and are willing to buy from any supplier. So all you have to do is after you've signed up to Market Dojo, you log in onto Market Dojo. You can see here, you just type in username and password and log in. And as we log into the dashboard, all we have to do for the moment is go to Join Sandpit. And as we join the sandpit, we just go on to the Current Events tab on Show All. Then we're going to create our auction. So you go to New Event and click on New Event. So for this auction, we're going to assume that we're buying 10mm PPE tubing. So we're going to have an auction for it. What you put in the brief is what you want from your suppliers. So in this case, we're going to be asking for 1500 meters of 10mm PPE tubing. And we're going to have an online auction. We're going to assume that you already know what you want to know about the supply, so we're not going to have any pre-questionnaires, but these are available if you want. So let's decide our auction date is going to be 4 o'clock on Wednesday the 8th of February. The bid direction is going to be reverse, as it's a reverse auction. The event type, we're going to have it ranked, so the suppliers are ranked on their bid. All they'll see is whether they're first, second or third. The minimum duration of the auction, we'll put it down 15 minutes for the moment, and we'll have a dynamic close period of 2 minutes. So the dynamic closes, if anyone makes a bid in the last 2 minutes, it extends the auction by another 2 minutes to make sure everyone's got another chance to bid. Minimum bid change, people have to change their bid by 0.5% to a maximum of 10%. What happens to tie bids? So if the top 2 bids are perfectly equal, they'll both show as rank 2 rather than rank 1. That's what equal worst means. So let's create our lot. So we need 1500 meters of 10mm PP tubing. So it's 10mm PP tubing. Quantity, we need 1500 meters, so that's 1500 there, and unit of measurement is a meter. Our current price is £2.58, and what we want them to bid is £2.50 or under, so we'll put our qualification price as £2.50. So we just click the tick here, and that builds a lot. So we go to the next step. We can upload any documents we want here, such as non-disclosure agreements or specifications. We're not going to have any for this auction. And then you're done pretty much. All you have to do is invite the participants. So if you want to invite them by email, you can type their email in here and press add. Or you can just pick from a participant database that you've already built in. In this case, we've got some built-in suppliers on the sandpit. So we'll just click them, add them in. And there you have it. All you do is press invite participants and finish, and your auction is ready to go. So I'll show you in the next video what it looks like when these suppliers place their qualification bids and what it looks like for them in the auction. But it's that easy to set up an auction. You can do it in a couple of minutes, and hopefully you'll see the savings that we see across the tool, 23% on your normal negotiation process.